I can't believe it!
It was a lovely morning. Nanny made a delicious breakfast and called everyone. Come on, breakfast is ready.
Okay, let's go to school, my daughter.
Bye-bye, Nanny.
Bye, little kitten.
Mother Cat took little kitten to school just like any other day. Back at home, Father Cat and Nanny saw their chance. The house was empty, the moment they had been waiting for. Father Cat smirked, stepping closer. Finally, just the two of us.
I can't believe it! How could you?
Father Cat and Mother Cat started arguing, voices growing louder. But Father Cat was not in his senses. In a fit of rage, he struck her hard. So hard that Mother Cat collapsed to the floor unconscious.
Before we continue, please show your love for kittens with just one simple click. Subscribing shows you care, while skipping might suggest otherwise.
Blinded by rage, Father Cat did the unthinkable. He carried his unconscious wife to the car, stuffed her into the trunk, and drove straight to the junkyard. Without a second thought, he left her there, to die. Then, as if nothing had happened, he returned home, ready to start a new life with the other woman.
Hello, Dad. I'm back from school. Daddy, where's Mom?
Now you will have a new mom. Now nothing will stand between us anymore.
I want my real mom. Tell me, where is she? Heartbroken and upset, the kitten ran out, determined to find her lost mother. Hello, police? I need you to arrest my father right now!
You are under arrest. Put your hands behind your back.